Hi, this is John with WTI, and right here with me I have one of the main drinks that I use whenever I'm doing exercises and for me to stay hydrated. So recently I've got myself into more of a tournament of basketball, and trying to stay hydrated and just like going only on water is a bit complicated. So recently I got this Gatorlyte, this strawberry kiwi flavor, and let me tell you something, this has turned into one of my favorite flavors for any of the energy drinks that I've ever tried in my whole entire life. It's great tasting. This actually gives you a lot of electrolytes, so it's gonna help you to stay hydrated. And it's not only that you have to stay hydrated when you do exercises, your body needs it during the whole day. So having one of these guys around you, really cold, always around you, it's a great option. So if you really want to try something that is going to be different, but at the same time, nice taste, and it's going to help you to keep yourself hydrated, this right here is a great option. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.